Okay, ho ho ho, we're back. It's Deb and Mom in Mom and Dad's house, and we're making another treat for you today in our 12 days of Christmas. And I'm not even going to hazard a guess what day we're on at this point, but we've had a lot of fun. We've made Rocky Road fudge. We've made the cashews. Chocolate covered cashews. M&M hugs. If you haven't noticed that one's going viral right now, so make sure you click over to that. All of these are super easy treats that can be made with minimal ingredients that are great on cookie trays. Yum. Like all the sugar, we got you going here. But today, I actually I'm not really that much of a fan of white chocolate until you put it with salt. And then if you put it with something crunchy, that just makes it even better. So this is actually, surprisingly, it's one of my favorite treats for the holidays, and that are white chocolate covered pretzels with peppermint. And it's just a fun little treat. It's super easy to make, and all we're gonna need for this recipe are pretzels, and I'm using mini pretzels. You can use whatever size you want. You could also use the rods and dip them also and cover them with sprinkles. Totally up to you. We're gonna use white chocolate chips and peppermints. You can use candy canes. They're all the same flavor, you know, whatever works for you. I'm gonna use just a drop of oil with the chocolate to make it just a little more luscious as it melts. And that's really all we need to get started. Mm-hmm. So we'll start by melting the chocolate. That'll take just a minute. I'll put it in now. And I'm gonna add about a half teaspoon of oil. And then we'll give it a stir. That'll just make it happen a little easier. I'm sorry, make it happen a little easier. Make it melt a little bit better. Perfect. So in the microwave it goes. You know the drill, 30 seconds at a time. We're gonna stir it in between each one until that chocolate is completely melted. And then in the meantime, I know I had a bag up here. Oh, we're gonna also start taking these peppermints, and again, you can use candy canes, whatever you got, out of the wrapping. I think we're gonna need probably 20 or 30. We're gonna crush them. Good thing for the kids to do. Give them the rolling pin, set them on the ground, let them crush them in the bag. They're sanitary that way, or put it on a counter that's really firm, so they can do that. But I'm gonna grab this. I'll be right back. So again, we're just stirring like we did before from the bottom. Make sure we stir even from the bottom up. Back in the microwave, this goes for another 30 seconds. It's my second stir. Doesn't look like it's moved a whole lot yet, but we'll be surprised once we start stirring. See? Back in the microwave, another 30 seconds. Two minutes. Oh, that's just right. All right. So this is pretty close to what we're looking for. I'm going to set that aside. We're going to finish unwrapping our peppermints, and then we're going to crush them. So hang tight for a bit. Okay, so we're just going to crush up the candy canes. Mom has a little meat cleaver there. We're going to use the smooth side of the meat cleaver and just crush them up really well. Does anyone notice something different here? Just curious. Anyway, so we have our peppermints. They're all chopped up. And we gave Mom beat them pretty good. So we're set to go there. Our chocolate is nice and melted. See how smooth and creamy that is? That's what we're looking for. Now, all we need to do is drop our pretzels into our white chocolate. Mom's gonna fold it, just fold it in. And this makes quite a few. And it's kind of surprising, like I had mentioned earlier, the flavor, you don't want to crush them, you just want to keep folding and folding until everything is coated in chocolate. And you can carefully put them in and flip them over back and forth. This just lots faster, so I opt for ease. And that's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna take these, and as I lay them out on the cookie sheet, Mom is gonna sprinkle them with peppermint, with the crushed candy canes that we have. So those forks still do come in handy to easily pull them out and separate them. And so Mom, go ahead and start to sprinkling them. They're super cute, really yummy. Be generous with the sprinkles, because that's what makes them taste especially good. Because you know what happens is the top of your bag has like larger pieces, and then the bottom of the bag where she's drawing from has smaller pieces of pretzels. And so if you get a good combination of both, it makes it easy and super yummy. And again, you know, the kids can help you with this part. This just so easy. So it'd be a good, you know, if you're putting together your Christmas trays, cookie trays, add some of these to it, package up some in cellophane wrappers. I'll put links to that below too. You can just click through to my Amazon store and it has all of that. But add those, you know, like a nice gift for the teachers if you're looking for an inexpensive gift to share for the kids to take to school. Because there's no peanuts in here, so you're good, no nuts. I had one that was broken, so I just stacked it on top of another one. That works. And doesn't this make a nice bunch? Great little snack. Great for cookie trays. So we're gonna continue with this and lay out all these chocolates, and we'll be back in a bit. And just like that, we're done. Actually made 2 pans. So I don't know, maybe 50? Probably close to 50. Mom already put one in the refrigerator. We're gonna tuck the next one, refrigerator, freezer, about 30 minutes, and wait till these get good and cold, and we'll do some taste testing. See you in a minute.
Probably more like 70.
Yeah. Probably more like 70, Mom says. So perfect. We have a great treat here. We'll see you in a few. Okay guys, just that easy. Our treats are done. We started piling them a little plate. Like I said, they're great for Christmas gifts, to tuck in stockings, teachers' gifts, all those things. But you know, the most important thing is how they taste, right? So pick one, Mom, and we'll see. These are really good though. Aren't those yummy? When you get home, or when you make these, I keep them in the freezer because they're just perfect coming out of the freezer as a sweet treat. I think you're gonna love them. So, super easy, 15-minute treat, perfect on your cookie tray. I hope you give it a try. Now don't forget, all the ingredients are below. You can find some tips and tricks and more different things over on bowlmeover.com. Follow me on Pinterest, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, all the things. And make sure you hit notify, because we have these videos coming out several days in a row, and that way you'll get all of them. They're short and quick with super easy holiday treats. I hope you enjoy them. We'll see you tomorrow.